Cheers mates, how's life? That's a freshly serviced Polini 210, yes, normal stroke 57mm. Stay with the original crank if it's fine, no need for long stroke. Same power, just a little bit different power band. I want to tell you something. It's not my recipe, but it really did work very well. You know the problem. This scooter was standing for 8 years now with fuel in the tank. You know how this stinks, it's terrible. You open this lid here, the whole room stinks immediately, and even people standing outside say that's terrible. The friend of the owner was a former construction company mechanic for the big construction machines, and he did rework the tank because I gave it to him and I said I cannot do it here. I'm living in the city, the whole house stinks, I get problems. So what did he do? He has a recipe. It wasn't rusty, but it just had this. Here's the recipe to clean a tank from old fuel, two-stroke mixture, residues. Here's the recipe. Close the tap, fill it up with water. Then you take 2 packages of citric acid and use an immersion heater. You heat it up to 60 degrees for 24 hours. Step 1. Step 2. Clean it properly with some spirit. And then dry it with the compressed air gun. Third step is that you use 80% phosphoric acid and just rinse it again, and that was it. Fourth step is put some two-stroke oil in or just use it straight away. Thanks to this retired mechanic. It's a very good recipe, very simple, so you can save your old tanks. Cheers, mate.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?